What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have something I actually had over a year. It was just sitting in my storage and I dug it out. This was actually at Walmart on a clearance. I think I got it for like 10 bucks. And I think the original price was like 25 or something like that. But this is the Black Flag Bug Zapper. Now, of course, this wasn't sent in to me, but I did get it from Walmart, and this is 2,000 volts, half acre of coverage. And the other one I reviewed was 4,000 volts, but let's see if 2,000 volts will match up with that 4,000 volts. Now, this is a 15-watt light that should attract all types of insects and stuff like that. This has a mesh on the front, just like all the rest of them. And on the bottom, it should have a door access. It should have a door access to get rid of the bugs, I hope. And also it says it's weatherproof, so you can have this out in the rain and whatever else. And let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And there you go. That's about it. Of course, you know this is electrical. I am looking into some more solar ones. Okay, you guys, so we have here, it says one Black Flag mosquito octanol lure included inside. So this thing, I think, attracts mosquitoes. Instructions. Go ahead, drop that. Okay, you guys, so there you go. So nice little, I guess you would call it oval shape. Cord is not that long, so you will definitely need an extension cord. It don't say indoors or outdoors, but I'm pretty sure that you should be able to put this indoors. I am not sure about that. So it look like here we can press down and then the door opens. All right. And there you go. You have light bulb access. They say you could change the bulb, but I don't know how often. Oh, okay, there you go. So there goes the bulb, just in case it blows and you need to change it. Now the other product, I didn't see nothing about that in there, so that's pretty cool. And that's about it. So when the mosquitoes die and bugs die, that's where you release them. And this is where you change the bulb. Oh wait, hold up. The mosquito attractor. Let's see. Let's check this out. All right, you guys, I got to see how to install this. If I need to, I might not. I'm just trying to zap bugs anyway. Okay, so let's just say hang it on the outside. Okay, so they said remove it from the pouch and attach it to the grid. And that's it. It's just snapped in. Now, to get it out, it's kind of hard, but it's snapped in. So we will lure mosquitoes too. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and put it outside and have fun. All right, you guys, so I have a bunch of lights on out here, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I barely can see what I'm doing, but I will need to turn, of course, you know I need to turn the outside light off, but until then, I'm going to put this straight here and get an extension cord, and here are the pops. I gotta move it this way because my other long extension cord is downstairs and I don't feel like going downstairs. All right, so of course I will turn the Govee lights off. All right, we're gonna take our beauty cap off. All right, then we got our light on. Now this light is not as bright as the 4,000 volts, but it's bright enough to hopefully attract the bugs. All right, you guys, so the final review of the Black Flag is that it is awesome. It did what it had to do. Don't really know if this really attracted any mosquitoes or not, so yeah, I'll leave that to the bug enthusiasts. But to take it off, to clean it, all you have to do is just pop that open and dump out your bugs, moths, mosquitoes, whatever else got caught up in there. All right, now if you want to clean the inside, you can find yourself a little brush, clean the inside. If not, you get yourself a screwdriver, and they got screws right here, real small screws. Take it off, take it off, take it off, and on the other side, take the whole guard off and try to clean it. Now, I didn't try to take it off, but I'm assuming, okay? I did not try that, but from what I see, you can unscrew the screws that's on the side of these grate right here, and go ahead and brush it real good, clean all the bugs out, put it back out, and do what it needs to do. All right, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section. I will be probably leaving this one in the garage, and I'll leave the one I got over there on the outside. When the springtime come back up, the bugs is out and stuff like that, this is what you need. Also in the winter time, they be still sometimes in your garage. But other than that, like, comment, and subscribe.